Remember when you're painting that it's going to dry considerably lighter than what you're painting it, usually between 20 and 30%, depending on how much water you had in your colors. So you're better off going a little bit dark. I probably went a little too light on this one if you look at the finished product, um, but it's just a matter of practice. Sometimes you do it better, and sometimes you don't. So anything that you do not want that color on, you can take a little paper towel or Kleenex or toilet paper and just pat it off. Make sure it's not the Kleenex that has, like Puffs Plus that has lotion in it, because that's going to mess up your absorption on your paper. You're probably thinking, why is she painting the trees with cerulean blue? But there is a reason. Uh, Trees are really, they're not really brown. They may be brown inside, but on the outside they usually look gray. And so in a wintry scene where everything is sort of, the colors are sort of lightened because of winter, it reflects a lot of that blue color from the sky or other colors from the sky. And so I started with that, and then I can go in with my darker colors um, to highlight around it, which is what I'm doing at this point. I want to see the stems or the trunks of the trees from time to time. Don't draw a complete line down. If you do that, it's going to look funny because, you know, the snow has to be covering some of that, right? So try to imagine where the breaks are in between the snow, and you can put in your colors. I've got a little bit of burnt sienna that I mixed with my Payne's gray, which makes an almost black color. It actually makes a wonderful black if you mix them fairly pure. Really interesting black, actually.